How every trip should start. Changing some brake pads at the trailhead. Woo! Biking!
A sin!
Oh God! How's it going? Mountain biking. You wonder what it is? It is this. A Caleb in the wild. An Ian in the wild. A Lillian in the wild. We've spotted her on many occasions. She's a wild one. Point! Yeah! Up there!
Where is the nearest UFC?
Brilliant. Okay, I'm ready. And then there's Claire, Michael, Caleb, Matt, and Ian. All these ridges, how do you guys feel? How do you feel, Claire? Reality for water. We came from down there, traversed all across here with some belays, came through there, up there, and around the back of this. And now we're going up. How's it going, guys?
Hey.
Matching. Did you guys plan this with your black diamond helmets? Heck yeah, Lou!
You're my sunshine every morning, light up every moment, make my every dream come true.
It's a video.
I can't describe it. Took my tongue and tied it. Sent my heart over the moon.
When the view's that good.
Away with me. Imagine all the things that we could see. Yeah, don't you know that life's a dance? Come and take my hand and fly away.
That's funny.
Oh, I just don't want him to get hurt. What you eating?
Chili man with beef.
Salt and salt. Salt and salt.
We're good.
Hi, Claire.
We'll turn all the pages.
Holy crap.
stroganoff.
My stroganoff, watch the sunset, y'all.
There's nothing gets you like the reflection of the sun on the water from this lookout. That's crazy.
What's going on here?
Like you could see the definition of the fire.
Yeah.
Wow. There's so many.
necessarily
have to.
Like, the best fireworks
Sorry,
show in
I
all
hurt you
of
for a sec.
Washington. Right here.
I know. Especially if
I'm here. I'm a big mountain. I'm also a big mountain.
Look at me sticking out of the clouds. It's Matt.
All the pain and the struggle, through the dark clouds and the rain, made it worth all the trouble to feel the sun shining on me. This house is a jungle, you gotta fight for your place. I was born in the rubble, gonna keep on climbing. Ooh, for the people that said that I couldn't do it, I take every word, burn it like fluid. Just a red light running right through it. On the top of the mountain, yeah, we float away to the top of the mountain. Yeah, we never coming down from the top of the mountain.
We're still an hour behind. So the snow's a little bit softer.
We picked this stuff up.
The higher you get, the further the fall. I didn't come all this way for me to love.
The aftermath.
Ooh, for the people that said that I couldn't do it, I take every word, burn it like fluid. Just a red light running right through it. I do it, I do it. For my people, for my team, for anybody trying to give a dream.
My shoe choice says exactly what I was expecting.
I'm expecting like park feet for the walker.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Just trying to put up some shutters.
Wonky.
Is it gonna fall?
No. Probably not. Wow.
Can you guys take me somewhere cool next time?